YouTube. So I teased this video yesterday, and I was setting the tripod up in the parking lot, and there's a tire shop across the street. Everybody's looking at me strange, like, why is this guy recording himself? So they'll figure it out once I open up the bags here, or not open up the bags, but open up the trailer and start swinging things over the gate. They'll get the idea pretty quick. So I haven't had the Ram 4500 out in a little while, so I figured I would chase the mice out of this one and just run down the road with it for a little bit. So let me get everything unloaded and I'll show you what we have going on. So again, we're down at B3Q Barbecue in Pittston, Pennsylvania. Yes, I brought the Ram 4500 versus the Chevy. Haven't really had this one out. Did a couple firewood deliveries, but nothing too crazy. So kind of have to sneak this thing in here just so. And then the idea is if I can get the outrigger as close as possible to the fence, that kind of maximizes my reach, because we have to go right there on those two plastic pallets and one right here at our feet, right at the gate. That's where the hickory is going to go. But yeah, we'll use the loader, pick everything right up and over, and set it inside the yard. Well, I don't really know of any other way to get 3 bags, well, technically 4, because there's still a partial hickory one on that side, all in such a small area, especially without having to actually having to touch it. So then we'll get all of our bags back. We've got some here, we've got some over there. We'll put them on the trailer on that side. I'll jump up on the deck out there so you can see what it looks like deck side or operational view. So from where I stand on this, and sorry, the sun is like right in the way. It's kind of what we get to see here. But that's our view looking in. And before we came down, Dom was paying a busboy to stack wood. It was all inconsistent sizes from his supplier, so using our 1824 diesel or even the Halverson, you know, with the measuring guide in the 140 or the 150, we give them the nice easy 16-inch pieces. Split really nice. You saw the video yesterday, we were doing some cherry, you know, on the SplitForce. So it's just the premium product we offer, so he can put it in the smoker and offer some good tasting meats to his customer. All right, got the loader all stored away and strapped down. Our 3 extra firewood bags, empty bags, are on the trailer. So it's a beautiful thing down here. Drop off 3, pick up 3, which is kind of a rinse and repeat type of thing with the firewood bags for Dom. So if we can get you any information on the log loader trailers, the NNZ firewood bags, brute force splitters, SplitForce splitters, Halverson processors, any of that fun stuff, please let me know. Would love to earn your business with that sales quote. Give me a call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. All of our stuff is available for viewing over either on the YouTube channel or over on the website, shaverequipment.com. So if we can answer any questions for you, would love to earn your business with that sales quote, answer any questions on a phone call or an email. So hope to hear from you soon. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. And with equipment like this, it doesn't get any easier. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.